Hey, I'm Emma Shorty from schoolofscratch.com, and in this video I'll teach you how to do the military scratch, which is a combination of babies and stabs, which sounds like this. The military scratch is usually one of the first combos we learn. It combines the fundamental baby and stab techniques. So make sure you're comfortable with those first. You can use any combination of babies and stabs, and I'll show you some of the most common to give you a solid foundation. The reason the military scratch is a great combo to learn is because we are doing both open and closed fader techniques, which we will explore some more later. Let's break it down. Our jog wheel hand performs a constant baby scratch, whilst our fader hand randomly cuts out some reverse sounds. The first pattern is a stab, baby, stab, stab pattern. Cue up your scratch sample and close the fader. Perform the stab, then open the fader and do a baby scratch. Normally we do a stab from the closed fader position, but after doing the first baby, we already have the fader open. So quickly push the jog wheel forward, then cut off the sound as you would do when doing a regular stab. Once you have done the open fader stab, finally perform a regular closed fader stab. So let's see that again. Doing an open fader stab is actually the first part of the chirp scratch, so you're building skills that will help you later on. Let's see it a few more times. Once you can do this, you can then increase the speed. So let's hear the same pattern performed double time. When you are comfortable with the movements, you can move on to using it with a beat. Once you have the basic technique down, you can change up the patterns. The next step is to make the first combo I showed you a rolling progression in the second pattern. Then move on to performing a baby stab stab continuously in a rolling manner like this. So altogether it sounds like this. The second pattern is a stab, stab, baby, stab. The fourth pattern is baby, baby, stab, stab. Let's hear each of those three new patterns over a beat. Now we have seen a good few military patterns, let's do a Q&A. I'll perform each of the patterns for 4 bars, then let you reply for 4 bars. I'll then start doing random military patterns. Feel free to come up with your own, you don't have to copy what I do exactly. That wraps up the military scratch. Practice over a beat and get the technique down. It will really help you when you come to learning the chirp scratch. If you Google military drum cadence or snare drum patterns, you can get quite a few rhythmic inspirations. Have fun with it and get creative. If you'd like to dive in deeper with learning how to scratch, visit schoolofscratch.com and sign up for my complete How to Scratch course.